Hi, I wanted to take just a couple minutes to quickly go through some things for the research paper. As part of the requirements for this course, you'll be writing a 10 to 12 page of content APA style research paper. So you'll be working in your group of 3 to develop this paper throughout the remaining time in the course. The final copy of the paper will be due Sunday, 11:59 p.m., week 7. Of course, you can always turn it in early. But the purpose of the paper is to introduce you to deeper subject matter, something that you're interested in around teaching English learners. And it also may be an introduction to academic research and give you exposure to academic writing. Also, if you're continuing in the master's program, it also might be the basis for your action research projects. The research paper will essentially give you a head start in practice writing for a literature review. After completing the paper, you might discover that would be a good action research project, or you may decide to go in a total different direction. Either way, this is your introduction to academic research. So you'll have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion, and we'll work on it together. So don't get nervous if you're not uh, really understanding how to write a literature review. We'll work through it together, and you'll have your partners. So that's the only part of it. We're not going to be collecting data. We're not going to be analyzing. We're just doing the literature review. So think about what you might want to research. I have put down at the bottom of this document, which you can find in Moodle, here's some possible ideas. Of course, everything needs to be about English learners, something in that area of teaching English learners. So it might be increasing oral proficiency levels, reading fluency or comprehension, could be identifying English learners for special education, it could be assessment things, family involvement. So there's all different areas. So you find out what your team is interested in and what you'd like to learn more about. So as I mentioned, this may be some of your first steps into writing a literature review. So we will go step by step. In fact, you'll have a document called a problem question form that you'll fill out first, and that will give you a good place to start. You'll want to work collaboratively, of course, and so I would suggest using Google Drive probably would be the best thing to use, but if you have another tool, then that's fine too, just so you can all work together on it. Okay, so just let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you on this project. Thanks so much.